Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Henna Art by Bia. Ramadan is a time of spirituality, joy, and celebration. And what better way to embrace this beautiful month than with stunning Chaand Moon Mehndi designs? Today, I'll be sharing Ramadan Special Chaand Moon Mehndi designs that will make your hands look absolutely gorgeous for this festive season. Let's get started. Simple Crescent Moon Mehndi Design. Let's begin with a simple Crescent Moon Mehndi design. This design is perfect for beginners or those who love minimalistic elegance. It includes a neat moon shape with tiny stars and dots, giving it a celestial vibe, ideal for Ramadan gatherings. Arabic Chaand Mehndi pattern. Now, if you love bold strokes and flowy patterns, you'll adore this Arabic Chaand Mehndi design. The crescent moon is enhanced with floral and vine details, creating an elegant yet striking look. Perfect for Eid as well. Full hand Chaand Mehndi design. For those who love detailed Mehndi, this full-hand Chaand Mehndi design is a must-try. The crescent moon sits in the center, surrounded by intricate mandalas, paisleys, and fine detailing that extend to the fingertips. It's bold, beautiful, and festive. Glitter and Shimmer Chaand Mehndi. Want to add a modern twist to your Mehndi? Try Glitter and Shimmer Mehndi. After applying the Chaand design, you can use gold or silver glitter to highlight certain areas. It gives a glamorous touch, making it perfect for iftar parties and Eid celebrations. So, which Chaand Moon Mehndi design did you love the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Henna Art by Bia for more amazing Mehndi tutorials. Ramadan Mubarak, and see you in the next video.